Hi friends, today I'm showing you the geometric compass set. This compass set is from AIHO on Amazon, and you can see this is the model V90. This combined compass set is for solid and plane geometry precision tool. This is 13 by 4 by 1.3 cm and silver color with a grey plastic top and the side. You can see that there is a pencil also along with this, that you can put it in the socket like for the pencil holder and then use this compass. So this is actually suitable for beginners or to advanced application. Is very suitable for geometry tools, circle drawing, mathematics and drawing. This have a centering mechanism, easy to hold top and a safety point, make it very suitable for classroom use. You can see that the pencil fit very easily and very easy to use, and it can draw circles, angles and measure length with this circle math compass. Overall, quality wise, this is good, and you can see that you can sharpen the pencil easily with the sharpener, and you can use any pencil inside this. So pretty handy and useful geometry compass set for kids and students.